To be honest, if you're into crypto, you most likely have a ton of different wallets, and keeping track of all of them is not an easy task. Switching between Phantom Wallet, Metamask, Binance, Telegram Wallet, etc. just to check how much money you got is very time consuming. And what about keeping track of your investments on a Google spreadsheet? Yeah, it's 2024 and I don't have time for it either. So today I'm going to show you how to track your entire crypto portfolio in one simple dashboard, and you can set it up in just a few minutes. The platform we are going to use today is called Coinstat and it's free to use. Obviously it has a premium plan, however for the purpose of this video and for most users the basic free plan is more than enough. It allows you to track 10 different portfolios, which mean different wallet, address or wallet provider. And obviously this tool is quite advanced. It not only allows you to track your portfolio, but you can also swap your crypto, you can buy crypto inside of this website, and also it allows you to earn money on your crypto by staking your coins. So it's very comprehensive tool. If you want to learn more about it, feel free to go to Coinstat, it's the first link in the description. However, today we will focus mainly on tracking our portfolio, and adding addresses or wallet providers is very simple. You just go to the main page and all you have to do is click connect. And as you can see, over 300 platforms are supported, and you can connect exchanges like Binance, you can connect wallet providers like Metamask, or you can track individual wallets, and I will show you how to set it up step by step. So if you would like to add Binance, you just click Binance and you have to find your API keys, and on the right you have instructions on how to do that, and if it's not clear enough, make sure to just Google it and find yourself a YouTube video that is going to help you find your API keys. And every single time you connect your wallet or exchange, it's in read-only access. So this website won't be able to extract funds from your account. And connecting other wallet providers like Metamask is very straightforward. You just click Metamask and your Chrome extension will ask you to connect to Coinstat. Just add your password and unlock the Metamask. It's very easy. And if you want, you can also track individual wallets. So I went on Dex Screener and found two example wallets that we can connect. First one is Solana wallet. So let's just copy the address. Let's go back to Coinstat. You just specify that you want to connect custom wallet. Here you just paste your address, and if the network won't be selected automatically, you have to select the network. This is Solana wallet, so we just choose Solana, click connect, and in just a few seconds Coinstat will connect to our wallet and we will see our entire portfolio. And it's worth mentioning that with some coins, Coinstat cannot access all of the information. So for example, if you have some brand new meme coins, the price might not be displayed properly. As you can see, here is an entire list of every crypto we got on this wallet. Here we have charts, so you can see how much money you have in each asset. You also get a list of your DeFi assets if you are providing liquidity, for example, and you can also see your transactions. However, now it's syncing, so we cannot see it. And you can also add a different wallet. So let's add a Ton wallet, and the process is obviously the same. We just specify that we want to add custom wallet. We paste in our address, specify that it's Ton wallet, click connect, and in just a few seconds the wallet will be connected. And here you can clearly see all the transactions that happened on this wallet, and if you want to keep track of all of your wallets in one single place, you go here and select all portfolios. And right now you can see that in the same dashboard we can see our Solana and our Ton coins. I've been using Coinstat personally for a few weeks now, and I didn't have any problems so far, and just having every single crypto I own on a single dashboard is very useful on a day-to-day basis to see how much money I actually got. And obviously you have a lot of ways that you can display your assets. You can display market cap, volume, average buy price that you bought your assets for. Once again, if you want to access Coinstat yourself, it's the first link in the description below. For most people, the free plan will be more than enough. And obviously, if you want to explore more of the utilities that you have on Coinstat, feel free to do so. That would be it for this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you got some value today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.